everybody, my name is Pia.
And my name is Astra.
And welcome to
SEMM Playtime.
Are you ready?
Today we're going to be baking. Okay, so before you bake, you have to wash your hands first. So we already washed our hands. Okay, and today we're going to be making, what are we going to be making? Baking? Brownie. Or my sister's gonna using the same batter. Okay, so what you're gonna need for today's baking, fudge brownie mix, magnolia fudge brownie mix, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 extra tablespoon for oil. So we put it in a deeper container so it won't spill. Also, we need 1 egg. This is my pan, and this is okay. So we're gonna be adding white chocolate chips. It's optional, and so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first we have to get a nice bowl. We have to get a big bowl. And we're gonna add, what are we gonna add first?
One
brownie mix.
Okay, I want to do it.
Let's take turns. Okay, so we got scissors and yeah. Okay. Pour it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! That's not.
Oh, that's it.
I'm gonna cut a bigger hole. Okay. And
What's that block?
okay, so we're just gonna there. Okay, next we're gonna add water. Okay, my turn to add. Okay, 1/4 cup of water. It's cold, by the way.
Elvis wants to put egg.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay.
Isn't that the oil also?
Wait, where'd Astra go? Anyways. Oh, she's back! Okay. So, next we're gonna add 1/4 cup of oil and an extra tablespoon of oil. So, add it. Please. Okay, next.
What?
I mean me. What? Okay, so 1 tablespoon of oil also.
It's oil?
Yeah, that's oil. Okay, last but not least, the egg. Okay, crack it.
You're checking.
No.
Me? No.
Wait. Go. Wait, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no. Okay, go.
I'm scared.
Cut it.
What if it will go inside? What if the sound will go inside?
Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. This is how the butter shall end and how it should look like when it's ended, but I'm not gonna mix it, so let's continue. Like a magnet.
Okay, yeah, I got new water.
Because it's like too dry, so that's enough. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside first. Okay, so we added water and we mixed it more, so it's okay now. And now we're gonna pour it. Okay, so I'm gonna pour mine first. I'll pour mine and then you pour. Okay.
What
Let's get the spoon
if it will
and
be
see if it'll. No. Okay. baking a cake today.
What if I will? What if I will?
Okay, this is... Okay, so this isn't enough for 2 cakes, so she's not gonna have a
I
cake.
will.
No, you're
I
not.
will see if I will. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. It will spread. Okay, that's enough.
No,
It will spread.
okay, this looks like Nutella. Okay, so
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. And we had enough to make like a second kind of chocolate pancake. It's like flat. It's a regular, but that's okay. Okay, so my cake. My cake is like thick, and
But we're not done.
that's enough because when I put it in the oven, it will like puff. It'll puff up. It'll like rise. So yeah, I'm gonna add some white chocolate chips. Are you going to?
Actually, I don't think so.
Okay. I don't think so. So these are white chocolate chips. Dutch. I don't know how you read that. Okay. So are you gonna put chocolate chips in your cake, me? No.
Yes.
When you eat it.
Wait, I want to put in your food.
No, I don't. Okay.
No. Oh, you have to do that? Me too, I guess.
I'm just adding on the top so that it can be like chocolate sprinkles or something. More vanilla. Like vanilla white. Sorry.
Too much.
That's okay, that's okay.
Wait, that's too
Wait.
much for this.
Okay. What? Okay.
It stopped raining.
Yeah, it stopped raining. And this is how mine looks. I am a chocolate fan, so I added lots of chocolates. Okay.
This one, this is vanilla, so I'll just eat it.
Okay. So I'm gonna bake mine first in the mini toaster oven thingy. Okay.
And
So
this will
you need adult supervision if this is like your first time or you're still a kid. But you know. Okay, so I'm gonna close it. And we're gonna set it to 120 actually. 120 instead. And we're gonna do
yours will taste good because mine does.
like 4 or 5, 15. We're gonna round it 15. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. So we're gonna round the timer thing 15 minutes 4 times. Okay. Bye. So we're gonna wait until it's baked, and after that we're gonna show you the result. Also hers. We're gonna put hers soon. Okay. So see you in a second.
Or 5 minutes.
1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour and a half, I think.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Okay.
Meanwhile.
Okay, so we are back, and now we're going to take out the cake. Okay, so now the white chocolate chips are like golden brown. Wait. Okay. We're gonna add it. We're gonna put it on the cloth thingy. And yeah. Okay, now we're gonna put my sister's cake. She kind of licked the raw batter, so.
It's very little.
Let's set it to 15 minutes and we'll see you again.
Wow!
Sister's cake is done, but since mine isn't, it's still in the microwave
Oven thingy.
oven, the microwave, whatever.
You're just gonna wait.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Okay,
watch it.
so I'm gonna take it out now, and this container actually has, it's like, how do you call this? You can like release it, so it can be easier to take off. So I'm gonna find that part. Okay. Next, take your hands. Perfect, perfect. Please make it perfect. Wait.
I don't think that's right. I think it should be like the other.
this before, but it was bigger.
Yeah, I thought it would like look bigger.
Okay, let's see how it tastes. Okay. Let's see
For the mitts, but part of the
Wait. I'm gonna slice it into like equal pieces.
part of the other piece.
Okay. Oh no. Okay. It didn't break. It's kind of broken, but
It's kind of,
it's like a mini cake. And they became golden brown. Okay. Oh, it's good.
Can taste.
You ate the best part. Okay. Now we're gonna wait for hers, and it's obviously going to be the same taste. So I'm gonna show you. Okay. See you later again.
Now, 20 minutes later.
Guys, I'm done baking my cake or
So-
brownie. It's crispy.
So these are the results, and it looks like chips. They look like chips. Okay. So let's taste test. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. That's like chocolate chips, but in chip form. Okay. So thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe
Click that notification bell
and like this video.